Next, I'm going to do the feet. I'm going to select the leg, press Tab, and come to the Loop Cut tool. I'm going to click on the Loop Cut tool and drag the cuff of the trousers to about there. I'm then going to come over to the color menu, click on the plus icon, and I'm going to need to make a new color because I don't have any colors here for shoes. I'm going to make a new color, and I'm going to call that color Shoes. I'm now going to come to the base color, click on the block, and color in my shoes. My character is going to have brown shoes, which is going to require me to use this brightness swatch to make it slightly darker. I'm now going to come up to the top left corner, get into face select mode, click up here so that you're in select box, and select the face. I'm going to click on shoes and click assign. A shortcut to applying the color to all the faces is to use the shift key. So you can select a face you want, hold down shift, and then select another face at the same time. You can do this with all of the faces that you need to select, and then do the assigning all at once at the end, like this. Now, in order to get to the inside face, I'm going to select the other leg, and I'm going to press the H key. That's hidden the other leg so that I can see the face that I need to get to. To explain what just happened there, up here in the top right hand corner is your layers tab, and you can see next to every item on this list is a little eyeball. When you click on the eyeball, the eye shuts, which means your layer has been switched off. You can click on it again to open it. I'm going to click the eye, hide the leg, and apply the color to my face. Tab, face, select, shoes, and assign. Tab again. I need my leg to come back now, so I'm going to come over here and press the eye. Normally I would advise you to label all of your geometry because this list can get very messy very quickly, but it's not going to be something that we do in this tutorial. I'm now going to repeat those steps on the second leg. Click on the leg, press Tab, go to the Loop Cut tool, pull it down to here, let go. I'm going to click on the other leg and press the H key to hide. I'm then going to click on this leg, go to Tab, come up here and click on Select Box, and I'm going to hold Shift and select all of the faces at once. Then I'm going to come here and add the color brown, shoes, and click Assign. Then I'm going to press Tab and return back up here. I only have one leg, so I'm going to come up here and turn the eye back on so that I can see my second leg.